everyone. So today I'm just going to be doing a really quick type of video, and usually I kind of save these for like my anti-haul videos, but this one palette is coming out very soon and I thought it was such a cool, unique palette. I wanted to kind of just do a video on it and kind of give my own thoughts on it, and yeah, just overall what I think about this product. So the palette I'm talking about is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. I think that Jeffree Star is a very polarizing type of person, and whether you like him or not, I feel like he just creates some really truly unique types of products. I like that his brand is very, I don't know, just very out there and not at all boring. Everything that he comes up with is pretty unique as far as like colors and like concepts and things. And with his newest palette, the Blue Blood palette, I thought that color-wise, it is so stunning. I really love blue eyeshadows and like greens and mints and teals and stuff like that, and I feel like greens and blues are really gonna have their time this year. I called it last year. I was like, you know, I think 2019 is gonna be like such a year for green and blue eyeshadow palettes, and Jeffree Star definitely, I think, knocked out of the park with this one. I really like all the thought that he puts into like the packaging of the product, because I love the idea of it almost looking like a jewelry box slash a coffin, and it's just a very out there and unique thing for makeup. And we're in this time where I feel like everything has been done before, so it's really refreshing to see something so cool and so different. And it's going to be coming out on March 29th, I believe, and I thought this was such a cool palette. Now, full disclosure, am I going to buy it? I don't think I am, even though I think it's a stunning palette, just because I have so much makeup, and I believe it's about $52, which is a little bit up there for me, at least as far as eyeshadow palettes, but I'm sure the quality is amazing and the colors look really beautiful. But the one thing that kind of bothered me about the palette was just the arrangement of the colors, and I've kind of been getting into this a lot more lately, especially since I started doing my Makeup Revolution chocolate bar palette reviews, which I'm going to start up again. I do have more palettes to review, I just haven't had time to review them lately, so there will be more of those videos. But in those videos, I started doing this thing where I would take the picture of the eyeshadow palette and rearrange the colors in a way that I thought the palette looked so much better. And I wanted to do that again with this palette as well, because I think color-wise they're so beautiful, but once I kind of rearranged it in a way I thought looked better, it just made the palette look so much better, in my opinion. So this is what the original palette looks like, and this is how I rearranged it in a way that I think makes it look better. I like when eyeshadow palettes kind of have their colors arranged in a similar kind of color fashion, in a way that makes sense, rather than just having these random colors thrown every which way. I feel like it can look very discombobulating for the person using it, and it just makes it harder to use a palette when the colors are every which way. I feel like whenever they're grouped in a way that makes some sort of sense, whether it's by color or by finish or in sort of looks, I feel like it just makes the palette so much more usable for the user. So overall, I just wanted to give my thoughts on this palette. Of course, I don't own the palette, and to be honest, I'm probably not going to purchase it, but I love the concept of it. I love the ideas behind it. I love the packaging of it, and I just love that, you know, he does a lot of different stuff. Like, he's not like Tarte or Too Faced where they just keep pumping out the same shit over and over, some like neutral palette with like a pop of color. Like, I feel like he does a lot of really different and intense kind of makeup products, and I think it's really cool. So overall, that's just my thoughts on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Bloods palette. Let me know, what do you guys think of this palette? Are you interested in it? Are you going to buy it? What do you think about my color rearrangement, and do you like the original or do you like mine more, or is there another way that you think it would look better? Definitely let me know what you guys think, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.